Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'd like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs and gold. Another trading week full of anxiety and strain is coming to an end. Investors are unnerved by escalating tensions in the US-China relations. US President Donald Trump cracked down on Chinese high-tech giant Tencent, banning its transactions in the US. Tencent owns the WeChat messenger as well as ByteDance, which is a parent company of the video-sharing app TikTok. Besides, market participants are fretted about the gridlock in Congress as the US lawmakers cannot agree on a new stimulus package to prop up the US economy. In the meantime, US benchmark stock indices are closing the week in the red, while investors are eventually shifting focus back towards the US dollar as a safe haven asset. Having hit the strongest levels in 2 years, the euro-dollar pair seems to be making a downward correction. So what prospects does the chart unveil for the most popular currency pair? Let's ask our technical expert Peter Yakimovic. Hi Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what we got is we got a strong upside run there, and as I said in my previous analysis, that overall the US dollar is very weak, and I still expect also in the short term horizon that basically the US dollar index will continue to decrease, meaning basically that I expect also the euro to continue with the upside pressure. We got a broken resistance at the 1.1800, and this will basically eventually open the door for even a round number at 1.2. Actually, euro went to test 1.1900, but in my opinion, my expectation is that euro will still continue to go further upside towards the 1.2 level, and even maybe a test of 1.2150. So I see any reversal pattern yet. Momentum looks pretty decent, and demand looks like a pretty strong for the euro. So again, my expectation is for the further upside towards the 1.2 level, and this is also the round number.
Do you think the pound-dollar pair will be able to sustain the uptrend?
On the British pound versus US dollar, since my previous forecast, basically, I did forecast that price will eventually test the 1.3200 level, and that level is actually right now on the test. So basically that expectation and that upside target is reached, right? So anyway, I still expect further upside, again, similar to the euro dollar, pound dollar also on the strong upside run. I see that pound dollar most recently got extended run. Then we got a few days of the downside correction, and then again continuation for the upside. So I will say that my expectation is that the pound will continue with the upside and probably going towards the 1.3400, which is basically the series. We got a cluster of the swing highs based on the daily time frame around 1.3400. So my expectation is further upside. Buying the dips might be seems like a legit idea on this way up to basically try to benefit for this strong upside demand and basically weak US dollar.
Peter, could you please make comments on the stunning rally of gold? The precious metal has conquered historic highs. Do you expect gold to continue its bullish run?
Gold was just tremendous in the sense that the demand for the gold and the strong imbalance to the upside, I don't see that it is over yet. Basically, I see no reversal pattern similar to the euro and the pound. Basically, week to week, we've seen the higher highs and higher lows week by week, meaning that we have a one time frame trading to the upside on the monthly, on the weeklies, and on the dailies. So basically, most recently, I found on the hourly time frame that we got ascending triangle, and we got a breakout of that, the strong momentum. So definitely the levels that are in the play there, the 2,100, even 2,150. So my expectation is for the further upside, because it's really all trends from short term to the long term to the upside, and there is any reversal pattern yet or anything like big divergence in momentum. So I don't see that yet. So expectation is for the further upside.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.